What's up everybody? My name is Logan and I'm coming to you from Entropy Resins, and today I am sharing 6 simple tips on how to properly mix epoxy. Proper mixing is important in order for the epoxy to reach its optimum cure properties. This is going to be especially critical when doing projects or repairs that undergo high loads. So before we start, we always want to make sure that we wear our personal protection equipment. We're going to start with gloves and always safety glasses. Once you guys have that, we are ready to go. Here are 6 simple tips for mixing Entropy Resins Epoxy. To start, we're going to want to choose a container with straight parallel sides. This is going to ensure accurate measurement when dispensing the epoxy. And as you can see on this container, we have graduations in order for you to be able to see exactly how much you're pumping into the container. The container should ideally be clean, plastic, or metal. Because resin and hardener mix in what is called an exothermic reaction, this causes heat, so we don't want to use any foam or glass. Your mixing stick should have a flat edge. This is going to help you get into all of the corners of your container to make sure that the resin and hardener are mixed thoroughly. Next, you're going to want to be sure to scrape the sides and bottom of your container while mixing. This will make sure that any epoxy resin and hardener that has clung to the sides is fully integrated. As you stir, you will see streaks. This is unmixed resin and hardener. You can verify that the epoxy is mixed thoroughly by checking to see if the streaks are gone. For a clear finish, it is important to stir slowly. Stirring too fast introduces air bubbles into the epoxy, which will interfere with clarity. Slower stirring creates fewer bubbles and clearer epoxy. For small batches such as this, you're going to want to stir for at least 1 minute. Thoroughly mixed epoxy is vital to a proper cure. Stirring ensures full integration of the resin and hardener. For larger batches, you'll just need to stir longer. These tips will ensure a proper cure and thorough mix on your next epoxy project. Before I go, here's a bonus tip to check for a thorough mix. If you have any remnants of epoxy left over in your mixing containers, you can just pop them out if they're fully cured. Run a gloved finger along the bottom edge to see if there's any sticky residue. If you find sticky residue, you probably didn't get a thorough mix. If not, then congratulations, you're an epoxy expert. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow Entropy Resins for more tips.